I know it's not Halloween or anything, but I want to turn myself into a Tim Burton character, and you're gonna watch me, damn it. But I don't want it to come off as a Halloween costume. I want it to be like a casual Tim Burton-esque makeup. Starting up obviously by really exaggerating my eyebrow shape. Something like this I think will be okay. And then on this inner part, I'm going to create a sort of thing. Don't you just love the things with the things? I know I do. It honestly need not be super perfect for now because we can fix it later, but I want to get on with complexion. And as you can see, we're gonna do some underpainting. Has anyone ever choked on air before? Because same. Anyway, the reason for that is because I want to create a more realistic contouring because Tim Burton characters are just so skull-like. I'm only going to do just a teensy bit of blending, like in some places like this blush and my forehead. Take a sheer foundation and lightly tap over the areas. Start with powder, and I'm actually going to use the Huda Beauty Easy Bake. Is it called Easy Bake? Whatever. All over my face. Now what I want to do is take a gray eyeshadow, and we are going to sort of intensify some of the contour, but only right here, nowhere else. But also the nose. And to really drive home the Tim Burton-ness, I'm going to take that same eyeshadow and just smoke it out right here. Carve out with white pencil and bake. I hate to do this, but go to part 2 and watch me pull this together.